Hey, how much for the painting?
Oh, $100?
Cool. It's super great.
Thank you.
Yeah, you bet. Have a good night. This is a really good deal, actually.
And because of global warming, the penguin will surely starve.
That's so sad.
Oh, babe, hey, I got this.
2 weeks, leaving him at the mercy.
It's fine. Oh my gosh! Hey, baby, Friends is on.
Okay.
Look like I'm leaned up against it?
Take a step to your right.
Morning, Zach.
Hey, Todd. No. No.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. I see you, Patrick.
So pay very close attention. You're gonna take some milk. Then you're gonna take some strawberries. Give it a little shake. And get a milkshake.
Does anyone else have chiclophobia? The irrational fear that when you crack an egg... Guys, time for a photo!
Wardrobe, climb in.
Line out.
Towel, climb in.
Last one. Here we go. 3, 2, and... Just bringing home the bacon. Good piggy.
Yo, Zach, can I get some help over here, man?
Sure, yeah. Let me see if I can actually.
Whoa!
Hey!
Dude, that was easy.
That's the way. Oh! Hey! Hey, look out!
Let's get out of here.
Threads? New social media? Oh, I'm late!
Whoa, new user!
Oh, verified! It's really cold here in Finland.
Whoa, what is all this candy doing here?
I feel so sick.
This is how I hitchhike.
I can't do it. Sorry, guys. Be free! Be free!
Does anyone else's hands get super wrinkly in the hot tub, or is it just me? Wait, I'm wrinkly! I'm old! Wait, senior discounts!
Cut! Who forgot to pay the apple? This is a black and white film, people! And Charlie, keep it down, it's a silent picture!
Oh, come on,
Watermelon! Come get your watermelon! Thanks, Deborah Ann.
Watermelon! Come get your watermelon here.
Thanks, Deborah Ann.
Watermelon! Come get your watermelon.
Does anyone else feel like these don't really work? Wait. Hey, what are you doing? It's a red light, dude! Hey, look before you cross the street!
What are you doing?
I'll show you. Check this out. Let's see if this works.
Don't do it! Really?
Hey, get back here, you little punk!
Looks a little crooked.
It does. It looks like it needs to move a couple of inches towards you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's level. Yeah, that's great.
Oh. 221, 1,200. Sorry about that glitch. Let me try to fix that. Okay. You got it yet? No? Oh, here's the problem. Oh, no, run, save yourself! 1,221. I fixed it. 1,223.
Jack, your room better be clean.
Okay, pass it here. All right, go long then. Good boy. Bring it back, fetch. Good job. Good job, buddy. Snets, can I take your order?
Hi, I'll have fries.
Yep.
I'll have
Fries.
a cheeseburger
Burger.
and an ice cream.
Ice cream. Sorry, ice cream machine's broken again.
Hey, babe, which remote is it? It's this one.
Grab me your remote! Hold on, what is happening? Oh my gosh! Hey, I found the remote. This is how I play games against myself. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Ha! I need friends. Copying and pasting money. This is the Laundromatic 3000. And voila. Man, I miss being a kid. Woo!
This is the best day ever!
Here's your coffee, sir.
Oh, sorry, but I have the coffee cake.
Oh, no worries. Sure, we could turn that into cake.
Wow.
Hey, slow down. You got kids that play, okay?
Oh, this looks great, babe.
Thanks. Whoa! Oh, man.
There you go. You want to roll?
Yes. Oh, and some butter, please. Thanks.
Okay.
First word, cup.
Okay, well, I'm gonna turn that cup into cake.
Whoa. Well, I'm gonna change that into a snake.
What? A snake? Really? Why did you turn into my least favorite creature?
Thanks, she likes you.
Then I'm gonna have to send you, my friend, to space.
To space.
Have a great voyage.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Down.
Wait, why is the gravity affecting me too? scrambled eggs, baby. Hey, you! You can't be doing that! Hey! Wait, what? Later.
Breaking news, LA is being hit by one of the worst rainstorms in history. Zach, it looks like you guys are being hit hard out there.
That's right. It is downpouring here in LA. As you can see, it's caused chaos with the puddle.
Let's take a look at sports with Donna.
Parmesan?
Yes, please.
Okay. And we like pepper on the veggies?
Yes.
Okay. Enjoy your dinner.
Cannonball! Hoop! Oh. Cannonball! Hoop! Oh. Cannonball! Hoop!
Oh wow, that's fast.
Okay, buddy, time to go home. Oh, good job, buddy. Good day's work. Come on.
Hey, sorry to interrupt your playback experience. Let me take a look at what's going on. Pardon the mainframe again. You mind liking the video for me? Yeah, that should work. Enjoy. Just letting the cat out of the bag. Yeah, right there's good. Oh, that's plastic. Let's get a real one.
Oh, come on!
Birds. That's what I call a sandwich.
Oh, you can have it anyway. Oh. That's double.
Hey, welcome to King's Coffee Company. Can I take your order?
Yeah, give me a vanilla latte.
Great, that'll be $5. All right, and you know how to use our app?
Yeah.
Then go ahead and press down now.
Oh, this is way too hot. Ugh.
Oh.
I wanted this iced.
I'm sorry, sir. I can remake it for you.
Take it back.
Oh, I'm sorry. Don't push it through.
Take it back. Oh, man.
Have a nice day. Alexa, activate vacation mode.
Starting vacation routine now. Have a great trip.
No, we gotta talk to that team.
Tonight, we're testing the world's brightest flashlight. Just turn this on. Oh. Ow. Sorry. Hold on. Uh-oh. Hey, like this video to see a trick. Now, hey, now, I'm not done with my trick yet. Stop. Hey. Your attention span's too short these days.
I've never quite understood why people don't like vegetables, because I've always found them rather sweet. What style are we going for today?
I would really love this style.
Oh, yeah, love it. Here.
my gosh!
I love it, it's great.
Whoa!
Zach, we gotta speed up the edit.
Okay. Okay, loop the video here, go to the endpoint.
Zach, we gotta speed up the edit.
Okay. Nobody has coins anymore.
That's one small step for man, one giant.
Cut. Let's reset, people. We're live TV. Keep it going. Just shoot the ground. All right, get him back to 1. Guys, we have just landed on the moon. Let's go.
Hot potato. Hot potato.
Quick tip, if you ever find yourself on fire, don't forget to stop, drop, and... Oh my gosh! Works every time.
All right, game point.
Point.
Good game. Catch you Monday.
Wait. What?
Hey, will you get a photo for me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Just tell me where.
A little lower, a little lower. Oh! Just get it back. Get out of here. It looks good. We just gotta go. Just leave it.
You're pre-approved. Go ahead. Next. Oh, the rainforest. That sounds fun. Hey, you might need this. Have a good trip. Oh! Next. I just did the dishes.
Grabbing a souvenir from France. Oh, merci beaucoup. So some see this glass as half full, some see it as half empty, but I see it as a piece of cake.
All right, let's make another waffle. Batter up. There you go. Ready? Nice. All right, let's make another waffle. Batter up. There you go. Okay, we're done with the waffles. Thank you. What's his name? Engorgio.
Well, that didn't work.
Wait, what? How did you? Oh, come on, let's go. Oh my gosh.
Hold on. Put your head up.
Hey, Taeyeon, one more photo without the hood.
All right, later, Taeyeon. You guys wanna go camping? Yeah. Okay, let's go do a campfire. Go, go, go. Let's go. Here, Liam. You wanna roast some s'mores? Yeah. Mason, let's do a fire. Come on. Here you go. Think I can fit in that spot?
It's pretty tight.
I'm gonna try.
No, Zach, it's really not. No, Zach, stop. Yo, what? How did you do that? It worked. That's the best parallel parking I've ever seen.
I can totally fit. What are you talking about? Mark, where's the birthday cake?
Oh, I totally forgot.
Dude. All right, whip one of these up. Can I get the flour? Behind you? Yep, here we go. Cool. That's better. Come back!
Oh, that's so good.
Oh, thank you. That's why I don't do trends.
Time to face my greatest fear.
Did you know this is what actually happens when you accept cookies? Huh, look at that. They give you a little treat.
Is that Zach? Wait, what is he doing? What? Oh my God, he's blind! How's that even possible? Whoa! Is he okay? What just happened?
So I'm currently traveling around Asia and there's some really neat buildings like this one. I want you to comment below if you can guess which city I'm in right now. I'm actually gonna take a keepsake.
Excuse me, sir. No food or drink allowed. The museum's policy is really quite strict.
Everyone knows about the regular push-up, but I like to do the yoga push-up. Hey babe, I'm in the middle of a... Oh! Yeah, throwing off my zen. Just put your password in, dude.
I don't know if we should be doing
It's fine. They're not gonna know. How would they know? See, we're in. I told you. It's fine.
No, come here.
What's going on?
According to the user agreement, password sharing is strictly prohibited. You're going to jail, buddy.
Would you look at that? 5 o'clock. Wow. Time really does fly.
Whoa, whoa, where's everyone going? We have a lot of work to do. I need this done by the end of the day.
Oh! This water balloon fight's getting pretty intense. Hopefully I have this from the new Ratchet and Clank game. Let's go. Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
Zach, oh my gosh, are you good?
Where's the other sock always go, huh, buddy? Oh, maybe it's in here. Hey, I found it. Playing a little catch with myself. Just playing a little catch with myself. No. Here you go, buddy. Oh.
Yeah, just send me that email. I'm just gonna step in.
Oh! Are you kidding me? Sorry. It says wet paint.
Yeah, just send me that email. I'm just gonna step in.
Oh, sorry, sir. It's drying.
You should put a sign up or something.
Sorry. It says wet paint. This is the Fruit Swap 2000. So put it down, take an apple, make it a banana, and then you get corn.
Right. Don't say anything, don't say anything.
Oh, don't honk at me. They're blocking the intersection. Come on, it's a red light. I hate to do this. Are you kidding me? Sometimes I use my computer as a waffle maker. I don't know if I can keep going, Tony.
Come on, Zach, you got this. We gotta finish strong, man. You and me. Let's go. You got this. Let's go. You got this. Really? What? A scooter?
All right, babe, I've got the perfect place to watch the fireworks.
Oh, awesome. Wait, those things are for like 5 hours though.
Well, technically, but not if I...
Wow.
All right, let's see if this really works.
Oh, I hope so.
You got the Mentos?
Yep.
I knew it was fake.
Oh, look out.
Oh my gosh!
Let's get out of here.
No, what?
Stop stopping.
Oh my goodness!
Hurry, shut the door. Open the window. We gotta go out the window.
Greetings, traveler. Wizard, I need a potion for my horse. I have just the thing. A carrot of speed. For you. Very good. Onward! Good day.
Just follow me.
Okay.
You got this, Zach.
Let me see it.
Are you okay? I'm so sorry, Ty.
Did you make it?
Yeah, I think I made it.
You did? Oh, you did it. Yeah, it wasn't close.
Yeah, do you see him? Get
Zach,
him over there.
take out the trash.
One sec. Sorry, I'm back.
What's going on? Whoa, too high! Too high!
Bye, babe. Oh, no.
Dude, hide somewhere else.
Okay, that'll work. No, get your own spot.
Found you guys. Dang it.
That means our second quarter will be down by 9 points. Rhett, what do you think?
No, what you said is good. Sounds good.
Well, actually, I don't think it's good. I mean, let's just be real.
Zach, got it.
King's Cuts, how can I help you?
Hey, just a little off the top. I got a date tonight.
That's fun. Where are you guys going?
That's a cute little place by the beach. They got. Oh, like your Wi-Fi's a little spotty. I'm losing you. No.
All right, do you have a king?
No, go fish.
Okay. Go fish it is. Hey, got one already. Reel it in. It's a king.
Hey babe, how often do you think about the Roman Empire?
I mean, I haven't thought about the Roman Empire in a long time, to be honest.
Actually, my lord, it was just 2 moons ago. Also, you are late for your tablet etching.
Oh, thank you. Dominus, my chariot. Onward. This is the traitor.
Like my costume?
Yo, that's so cool. How are you doing that?
Got a Nimbus 2000.
Oh, I see.
Mirror.
Wait, is that my longboard?
Oh, Longboardium Leviosa!
Zach, my longboard! Come on, man, get back here!
Hey, Macho, you want a banana? Here you go. Hey, Macho, you want a banana? Here you go. What? Test 2!
Guys, cut that out.
So it's Friday the 13th, and my buddy's really superstitious, so I'm gonna freak him out here. Hey, Nate!
Whoa, Zach, no, dude, not cool.
And I
not
got a ladder.
Cool.
I'm under the
No,
ladder.
don't do that. I'm not
Nothing's
joking.
gonna happen.
Oh my gosh, Zach! Zach! I told you, man!
Oh, we should get a photo.
Oh, that'd be cute. Hey, can we get a photo?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
All right, here we go, and looks like you guys are in the wrong spot. Oh, okay, we'll switch.
Hey, babe, why am I in this? Switch me.
And cheese!
I love myself a good discount.
I'm a kid, okay?
That's why I don't do trends. Up, up, and away.
So today I'm gonna tell you the trick to getting a perfect car wash using just a little bit of water. All right, so I'm gonna run over here and set you down. Okay, right there. Oh. And now your car's as good as new. Oh, no! Sunroof! Nate! Oh, dude. You know, you're never too old to play with an action figure.
I'm open.
You want it?
So the laws of physics state that what goes up must come down unless you're a magician. Coming. I don't like to push my friends in the pool. I like to throw them. You ready, Josh? It's summertime, baby. Hey, buddy, snack time.
Here's a snack too.
Oh, let's see if he wants to eat. Want a snack? There you go. You're right, he did want a snack, huh? That's disturbing.
Left.
Waze is telling me right.
Green. Go.
I was
Go.
already...
Yellow! Oh, I know a shorter way. Right. Make a right. Make a right. This is not the street we should be on. Can I drive? Stop! When I said stop here, I meant
Howie,
there.
you're driving me nuts.
I really like cone.
What do you like about corn?
It's cold! A big open knobs. It has the juice.
Ready or not, here I come.
Great. Where'd he go?
Oh, Zach, come back.
Already got a fish on?
All right, Zach, see what you got.
Okay.
Woo! Solid board slide.
Yeah, it's nice.
Aw, that's a cute little Cybertruck. Oh, are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh!
It is hot in there.
Oh, I was wondering where you were.
And then for the finishing touch, pineapple on pizza.
Oh.
Oh, you're not a fan? Come on, you're gonna love it, Nick.
What?
Hey, we got it! What's going on? Hey, what are you doing? No, hey!
told you this was a bad
Pineapple on pizza? That's illegal. Gotta do a takedown. Alexa, disable gravity.
Turning off gravity. You are now free to float.
Whoa.
Or as I like to say, the wait is over.
Refraction is now making this candy look bigger. Folks, one moment. We have a few things to iron out.
All right, watch closely because this is pretty wild.
Yo, Zach, it worked.
Did it work?
It worked, dude.
Nice, that's awesome. The power of mirrors.
Kids, don't drink bubbles at home.
Oh, dude, you got my eyes. My eyes need water. I need water.
I'm about to win Minesweeper. Wait, what? No. Frozen? Are you kidding me? Come on. Oh, shoot.
Trent's whole grimace thing everyone's talking about? It's actually not bad.
Hey, have you guys seen my wallet?
The treasure? We might have buried it.
What do you mean you buried it? Let me down.
Hey, over here!
Go. Hey, my wallet.
Look at my drawing.
Oh, you made art? Okay, well, we have no more room on here. Let's put it into the gallery, okay? Should we put it right here?
Yeah.
Nice. Love it.
Parmesan?
Yes, please.
Bon appetit.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can you make some change?
Sure, absolutely. Have a great night. Anybody sitting right here?
No.
Okay.
Whoa! What? What in the... Let me try.
Okay.
Oh! Oh, man!
All right, everybody. Museum's going COVID compliant. Need you to wear a mask at all times. Scream, can you watch the spit this week? Here you, Van Gogh. Guys, what's going on? Come on. There's no indoor dining. We need this Last Supper moved outdoors. Come on, let's get out of here. Let's move, let's move. Hey, Judas, I'm watching you.
I'm almost there. I've never been this far before, dude. I'm about to win. Bro, he's coming. He's coming. Shoot.
Good book.
Oh my gosh, I was so close. Wait, what? Are you kidding me? Dude. Wait, did you just lose your iPad?
Hey! Go on,
Hey! Hello, I'm just gonna put you down. Hey, don't panic.
Get me off of the...
Are you okay? Here, can I get... Yeah. Oh, so sorry. Okay.